Hello people, I'm here back. I make videoing their side. Look at their side. The beach is near complete. Very good here. I make it slowly. Parang mga ibon. Pero ano ng oras nga dito? Alas 5. Diyan sa Pilipinas, mag alas 11 ng gabi. Hanggang alas 11 dito ang araw. So, ngayon, iikot ko dito mga people. Wala akong magagawa, kundi ito lang ba. Ito, pero naglagay ako ng mask. Ito. Ito, mga people. Oh, pero today no interview Kasi ang dami nila pag interviewin ko people. Ang dami. Ilagyan ko ng cover ng kamay ko kasi mahangin Malakas ang hangin talaga. Malakas ang hangin Kaya nilagyan ko dito people ng cover. Kasi ang lakas ng hangin, maingay sa camera. Kapag in-upload ko, sobrang maingay. Kaya yun, punta tayo doon. Doon tayo pupunta. Oh, it's a wonderful day. The sun is perfect. Look at the people. Many people in the world. Ito, wala akong magawa. Maingay ang yung hangin. Hangin ba? Mahangin. Pag mahangin talaga. Pero never mind, I cover with my hands my microphone because it's too noisy. So I'm going to make this like this so that not too much windy and you cannot hear too much. Okay, we're going past their side and maybe we take down there. We go down. I put it cover. So look at that there. Oh my goodness. Many people. Look there, look. Maybe I put my sombrero. No, that's okay. Ito. We're going there. Look. Many people. So I put cover, people. Because it's too windy. Look at that. So nice. Nice. Ano lang pala ito plastic. Yung butay ba? Yung botilya. Tingnan mo. Ganda. Binta din yata yan Ano yan, yung mga buti ng buti ng judor orange. Tingnan mo. Ginawa ng bola. Ang ganda. Ganda tingnan nyo. May nakukuha din. Ito, ang ganda to Ito, gusto ko ito tingnan nyo. I like that. Look at that. C'est magnifique. Oh, fantastic. Excellent travail, Sibila. Oh, j'adore. Wow. Bah, c'est fini. On y va là-bas. We go in their side. Okay. Dagat pababa. Pero tinakpan ko yung camera ko kasi yung sa hangin. Yung hangin ba? Tingnan mo, yung kamay ko ginanyan ko. Oh, many people here. Look at that people side. So I'm going to stand up here first. I'm making a video. Okay. So what I gonna do here? I stop it. Okay. We go their side. Look at people. So nice. Ang ganda ng France. Kaya lang, pag during winter time, talagang hindi mo maano yan dagat na yan malamig. Pero pag during winter time, 0, -2, -3. So nobody come up here during winter time. So as of now is summertime. So it's quite a lot of people here doing tilibabad, sunbathing. We go there some side because it's more people than here. Look at that people. Look at that. I put my hands because it's you have too much sun. Go there. I so quickly moving my camera. It's not very good, my hand. Like that. Go there. Okay. We go their side. Bonjour. Interview ta. Konti lang mag-hi lang ta. Kay pangit naman hindi mag-hi. Okay. Hindi ko mapakali sa ano ko. Ito. Meron akong kukunin na ano. Hikot italian ko kasi parang maluwang siya ba. I want little bit tight. It look like a virgin. Hey, that's for the very first time. Like a virgin. Pero look at me people. I put my mask, huh? For security. But anyway, man, I'm going to remove maybe. Look, where is it? I'm afraid I lost my protection. Look at people, many people. Now I'm going maybe walk fast, but I don't want interview, huh? I only show you how many people there here in France. Like for example, people is making sunbathing. You know sunbathing is 5 o'clock, 10 past 5. So in Philippines already 11:10. Dito hanggang 11 night ang araw, kaya mamaya pa yan sila uuwi mga between 7 or 8 kasi close na ang ano, close dito ang dagat pag ano, kasi walang lifeguard ba magtitingin-tingin sa kanila. So this is what I have my experience in my walking. Kaya gusto ko talaga sa beach ako. Ayaw ko doon sa ano kasi parang naboboard ako pag nandoon ako sa bahay at saka sa ano. Minsan lang ako, marami akong video talaga, naka-impact lang yan dyan sa ano ko kasi nilagay ko lang yan sa ano ko nilagay ko lang sa ano ko yung tinatawag na SIM card ba. Marami. Ano 128 videos yan naka-ano sa akin, na waiting yung ba, i-ano ko, i-upload ko yan. Yan o. Ayaw ko kasi doon sa balay. Tapos mayroon pa akong nag-waiting sa akin kasi marami kong imbitasyon. Ang sabi sa akin, gusto daw nila magpa-imbita sila sa bahay kasi yung cooking daw nila, kung gusto ko raw i-video yung cooking nila, pwede daw. Pero you know, people is friends ng salita, so baka hindi, mahirapan ako naman doon mag-translate kasi yung iba naman magsabi, uy, bakit hindi mo tina-translate, hindi maintindihan. Alam mo naman ako, hindi ko mahilig yung magsulat-sulat translation. Gusto ko direct talaga ako, wala akong edition, wala akong edit dyan kasi camera ko talagang gusto ko original. Dito, tinamoy people, oh. So, up to here, many people. Look at that. Oh, wow, so lovely people here. Also I here. Yeah, pero alam mo mga people, they don't go to swim. It's only sunbathing. Kaya yung iba dito, naghubad-hubad lang yan. Gusto nilang magpaitim kasi love talaga nila yung ma-brown sila ba yung maitim. Kaya nga ako, itim ako, tinan mo. Gusto ko yung maitim kasi pag nakita lang maitim ka, nako, excellent ka para sa kanila, fantastic ka. Titingnan kanila parang ano na talaga eh. Wonder Woman ka sa panapaningin. Tinan mo, 'di ba? Pag meron kong kinakausap, ay ayoko na mag-interview ah. Ayoko na. Gusto ko panuorin ko na lang sila. Ayoko na yung ano. Ayoko na yung no interview. I want walking, that's it. Okay people, thanks for watching my video. Until the next, so i-upload ko maybe a couple of weeks because I don't make it upload immediately because I have 128 videos waiting there. So tomorrow maybe I have one video to upload, but not this. Okay, thanks a lot. And then I don't forget, I would like to say thanks to my subscriber and to all my regular viewers from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and all over the world. I love you so much. Ciao.